I'm gonna watch some YouTube videos and see if I can fix my own hair.
She would do it over if she had three wishes. Boy, for your DJ. Me. One, I wish I never fell in love. Alright. Two, I wish I never fell for you. Alright. All three, I just had one more wish. I go back and do it all over again. Wish I had a time machine, baby. If I had a time machine, I would hop inside my time machine and rearrange history. Get rid of somebody's memory.
So excuse my hair, it's looking crazy. I washed it. I need to find something to do with it, but that's not what I came to talk about. Say hi, mommy. We're having a little mommy daughter day. We just woke up from a nap. Babe and Kai is gone, so I ordered some food for us on Uber Eats. And Uber Eats have a $30 off coupon, so all I paid for was the tip for the person that's gonna deliver my food. And I'm gonna try Cracker Barrel for the first time. I would never go into Cracker Barrel and sit down and eat as a black person, but having it delivered to my house and trying it so I can say I actually tried it, that is something I'm definitely interested in. Look at Lauren. I did her hair. Her hair looks so cute, but she keeps taking out the beads out her hair. And I'm watching Bridgerton on Netflix. I actually watched season 1 last week, and now I'm watching season 2. Oh my god. Excuse me. I love the fact that it's based from all the way back. I love the series. It's very different, and it gives you a different perspective of how women had to live back in the day and how far we have come. Oh, say hi. Say hi, mommy. Say hi. Say bye.
Bye.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna look to see where my food's at, and I'll show you guys it when it comes. You talking, mama? You just don't have the words. So this is the food. Country fried chicken, mac and cheese, mashed potatoes. I got a burger over here. Extra, I think this is macaroni and cheese, and she is going in. She is a foodie just like her mommy. So far so good. The mac and cheese is super good. Okay, A1 perfection. I'm about to go enjoy myself and finish in the Bridgerton. I'm on season 2 episode 8. I'm sure it's about to be finished soon, and I'm about to because I won't have anything else to watch. So for the life of me, I can't remember ever getting my hair silk pressed, and I've been wondering what to do with my hair. I've done it all. I've cut my hair bald, I dyed my hair, I permed my hair when I was younger. I've had every hair color under the sun, and I'm like, I either need to do something with it or else I'm gonna cut it off again. Oh, my skin is clearing up, baby. But that's what we're doing today. This is how it looks now. I just have it in a puff. Hopefully I can keep this style because I go to the gym 5 days a week, 5 to 6 days a week actually. So yeah. Oh, and Brandon Blackwood just dropped his spring collection. Oh my god. Elizabeth Carroll Hawthorne and another one. All the bags look so good. I think I know what I want for Mother's Day. But yeah, let me get in here because I'm actually late. I'm 2 minutes late. Deuces. The girl that's doing my hair is the one that I said can't blow dry hair properly and don't know how to blow dry black hair. Jesus Christ. And I have to wait 10 to 15 minutes so she can finish somebody else here. So this is the silk press. This looked more like a blowout than anything else. She said my ends are split, and I told her to cut it all off so I could get the silk press look. She says she don't actually do haircuts, specialize in haircuts. I don't know what they're teaching y'all to do in these schools, but they need to stop. I'm gonna watch some YouTube videos and see if I can fix my own hair. So these are all my tools. I'm gonna be using a professional razor, some clips. I got this Nairobi smokeless detangling cream, thermal heating conditioner. I got my flat iron, I got my hot comb, I got some rubber. I'm in the process of finding a new hairstylist because the girl that I went to works in the same shop that my regular hairstylist works in. I think she's her assistant, and my regular hairstylist do not have enough appointments per month for me. So this is how I paid to get my hair done, and this was not how it came out, but I don't even mind. If you guys are trying to flat iron your hair, use the Nairobi Smokeless Detangling Cream Press with Thermal Sheet Conditioner for the relaxed look. This is how it looks. This really got my ends looking really nice and sleek. I'm loving it. So. She has a fever of 100. And I'm giving her a cool bath. I also gave her some Tylenol. She normally loves baths. Cold, hot, warm. Not hot, I'm exaggerating. But she normally loves baths. This is the part of life that no one shows you. Here, mommy. Her dad is sick, and I think she got this from him.
Take out without touching the bin. Okay. And this is for, that's for Shakira. Should I take it out and give it to her?
Okay.
She will stick.
Yes. I'll put you up in her nose hole.
Let me try it, mommy.
Off the nostril?
Let me see it too. Let me see it, mommy.
I gotta go off in my nostril.
I did both sides.
Excited to the money.